If you're thinking about buying your first apartment or you've just bought one, then here are a couple of things you need to think about. First, if you're looking to buy an apartment, get organized early. This is a critical one. Consider keeping an organized file, which will have all your pay slips, bank statements, share statements, and all other forms of ID that you're going to require if you take out a mortgage. The earlier you can get organized, the better. Trust me on that. And two, see as many properties as you can in your price bracket. Once you've identified what it is you can spend, either by speaking to a bank or a broker, you really need to do your own research and see as many properties as you can. The more properties you see, the more comfortable you will be by looking at properties, and the more you will start to identify value because you've seen so many before. And three, make sure you've also considered all the hidden costs. This is important. When factoring how much you can spend on a home loan, make sure you think about the other costs such as stamp duty, even with the new structure of land tax, things like lender's mortgage insurance, if you're planning on buying with less than a 20% deposit, and some of the other fees associated with purchasing a property like conveyances or solicitor's fees, and even mortgage fees. Once you've found your property, here are two other things you may not have thought of, but should consider. One, or number four, is upgrade your will. I know this may seem a little out of place, but you've just gone and bought the biggest asset you've ever owned in your entire life, and you need to make sure that in the worst case scenario of something happening to you, this asset is protected in terms of who it should go to next. And finally, you also need to think about updating your insurances. You're about to move into a brand new apartment. Ensure that you've got the right insurances covering all of your home contents, both during and after the move. Like or share for more tips.